Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. Today is the 28th of July and the monthly expiry. So in this video I will cover what are my profits for this previous week and what did I do to not trade during this day when the Fed meeting was there, and also my monthly profits for the July 2022. So as of now I have entered this trade for the next week. So basically it's the same pattern which I'm following, which is nothing but selling these triangles at 16,100 and 17,400 CE, and also buying 16,700 CE and 17,000 PE. So as of now it's on the very limited side. The profit is quite limited now, and this is one of the hedging which I'm keeping for December, so that in case the market falls during by the December or something like that, the profits, I should not lose the profits which I have on the Nifty Bs and Bank Bs which I have bought it. So I've just kept it over here and I should move it accordingly later on the year. But as of now, let's have a look into this week's trade. As I told before, this week trade is between 16,100 and 17,400. The reason being that if we look into the weekly Nifty charts, which is currently, I usually take the 1 hour charts, you see that the breakout was over here. So the first kind of support is around 16,800, then 16,400 would act as a very good support, and then comes the 16,200, which is the 3 support line, and the last is 15,800. So I'm trying to, since the VIX is quite low, as you have seen that VIX has crashed around 6.7%, I have gone to a resistance support point of 16,100. And also on the higher side you see that this is the range on the 1 hour charts, that these are the ranges where I expect some sort of resistance. That is one reason why I sold 17,000 P's, because there might be some sort of profit booking. You have seen that markets have been rallying from 15,300 to 17,000, and this was the breakout, since this is where the market started falling at 16,800 and there's a breakout. So there is all possibility that there might be some sort of correction over here, or it might reach to 17,400 or 500. Based on this I will move my positions accordingly. In today's position I see that in the last 5 minutes or 10 minutes of recording this video, I see that the positions have gone high. So there was a sudden buying and it has crossed the today's all-time high. So it is gonna go close to 17,000 by tomorrow. So one of the things to do is this for me is to think if I can shift from 6.8 to 9.4. So what would be the profits is around like 3 and 5,000 more extra. So if I do this trade, which is 7 and 9.5, this would be the adjustment which I would do. This is nothing but 7 and sell 16,200 P 40 lots. So if I do this, it looks like okay. So I have a downside of 4.6%, upside of 3%, which is quite low, but I would move this place if I see that market is crossing 17,000, and by tomorrow it looks like I am safer on the downside. If it stops between 17,000 I would still be in profits. I think I need to adjust the trade tomorrow also, and on Monday is the place where I see that 17,234 and 16,500. So this range can be sustained and I would have a profits roughly around 25,000 by Monday. So this is the kind of adjustment I'm thinking right now. Since Bajaj Finance went around 11%, this is what I have sort of done. A simple triangle which is around roughly around 17% away, and I'm trying to target some 3%, and let's see if this needs some sort of adjustment. I would try to adjust after every 2% of increase. So this is what it has been for this week. And for the last week or this week expiry, I exited my trades way back on Monday or Tuesday. So I had a weekly profit of roughly around 43,000 on a capital of 50 lakhs. So that was roughly around close to 0.8 0.9%, which is really good enough. And this week, this month, as you can see that there has been profits consistently, have been booking profits in stock options, which is like a secured put. So I'm moving out to the next month, and these are the profits every weekly. As you can see on my videos that the every weekly videos are here, and as of now I calculated this and I see that my profits on a capital of 50 lakh is 1,43,274. If you can see, this is the computation from July. So I have started from July, which is from here, and going back all the way till July the 28th, and out of which 22,000 is the profits which I have generated in the small account, and 1,21,000 is the profit generated in the large accounts. So this has been a very good month, considering that I'm not a full-time trader and a part-time trader with. So yep, and let's see what this is going through. Looks like this is gonna settle out for today. Maybe I'll think about shifting this or not. If I had a look into the open interest was for the next week. Looks like a lot of puts have been sold, and now since morning some of the calls have been added also. So there has been the highest at 16,000, and here a lot of puts have been sold. But when I come to the end of August expiry, it looks like 17,000 is still holding high, and there has been equal number of calls also sold. So it looks like 16,800 straddle, which might go on for a while. So I would wait out till Monday, that is 17,200 could be withheld. So with this, I would like to close this video saying that it has been really been a good month so far. Thank you.